hope you don't mind it. I hope you don't mind I'm insecure, 'cause baby I hide it. You know that I will come around. So have you decided, boy?